In the wild savannas, the male weaver bird becomes an architect of survival, crafting intricate nests with astonishing precision.
The call is not a choice, it is a command.
The instinctual call begins with the foundation.
Under the warm morning sun, the weaver meticulously seeks the perfect strand for his masterpiece. Perfection begins with the first strand.
Each woven strand a testament to nature's artistry and his quest to attract a mate.
The weaver works with obsessive speed, a blur of yellow against the savanna. He is both architect and builder, an engineer of grass.
The weaver bird crafts a true engineering marvel, an intricate nest designed to withstand raging storms and heavy rains, a masterpiece of survival, woven by nature's smallest architect.
His will is stronger than the wind.
Now comes the final, brutal judgment.
In vast colonies of hanging nests, each male weaver bird races to prove his skill. He weaves a fortress of grass and fiber, an architectural marvel swaying in the wind. Yet the true challenge begins when the female arrives, inspecting every detail. Only the finest nest earns her choice.